Hey guys, this is Maria from showysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use layout for Instagram stories. Instagram provides its users with a layout mode that allows to upload a collage of multiple pictures in a single Instagram story and consequently help the story to stand out from a crowd of other content. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Go to Instagram Home tab. Swipe right or click on the Your Story icon at the top of your screen. Once the camera window opens, tap the Layout icon on the left. Select the grid layout you want to use. You can add 2, 3, 4, or 6 pictures in your collage depending what grid you choose. When you select the grid, start adding pictures. You can take and insert a new image by clicking on the button, or you can also upload a photo from your camera roll by hitting the gallery icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. If you want, you can delete a picture and insert another one, so simply tap the delete button. Once the grid is filled in with pictures, press on the checkmark button. Now, if you want, you have an opportunity to insert stickers, write or draw something. When you're happy with your visual, click on the Send To button and include it into your Instagram story or send to your friend. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use layout for Instagram stories. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at showysocial.com.